Welcome. Why don't you follow along as I make something on the Blackstone? And by something, I mean I don't know what it's called. We're taking cabbage, mixed vegetables. In there we have zucchini, yellow peppers, red bell peppers, carrots, onion. We also have basmati rice, seasoning, garlic, and then smoked sausage. There's no recipe. I'm going to basically throw it all together, season up, and see how it goes. This is literally something. I don't know what it is. You know, we can work on the name later. In fact, why don't you throw in the comments what you think it should be called? Be nice. First things first, we're gonna get our griddle up to temperature. We are at 380 on the left side and about 380 on the right. Just trying to be as consistent as possible. And now that we're cooking something, we're gonna start off with a little bit of oil, and we're gonna get into these vegetables. Throwing down our onions. We'll hit it with some oil. And we're gonna try out this little gadget that I got for Christmas. Without burning myself, we're just gonna slap her down on there. And that's gonna keep our food from getting away from us. I do need to figure out a better rig for this camera. Holding it with one hand and attempting to griddle with the other is just a little bit difficult. Now that we've got that started, we're gonna season. So I'm gonna throw on our SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic, just to get some flavor on those vegetables. And then we'll get all that work in. I worked that around a little bit more, and we're just gonna let that simmer down, let those onions caramelize, and let those vegetables all talk to each other and get all acclimated. All right, now that we've got our vegetables going real nice, we're gonna throw down our smoked sausage. Get this going a little bit. Even though it's smoked sausage, it's got plenty of flavor. I'm gonna add in a little bit of all-purpose seasoning just to give it a little bit extra. Add some extra oil over here. Then I'm gonna get my rice going. That rice is popping. We'll want a little bit more oil. Let that rice get the temperature. Trying to keep it pretty, keep everything separated, but I'm not that clean of a chef. A cook. But hey, I try. Nice caramelization, nice colors added to our vegetables. It's gonna incorporate mighty nicely once we mix it all together. As our sausage continues to heat up, we're gonna throw in our garlic, and then we've got some fresh dill and other seasonings to go down. It's really gonna make that flavor pop once we get it all mixed up. As we go and get all that worked in. Everything's coming together nicely. We're getting ready to incorporate everything together. I'm gonna start by getting my rice mixed in with my vegetables from right to left. Why? Because I just made that up, like we're making everything up tonight. And then we're gonna get our smoked sausage incorporated. Get everything in there, get everybody acquainted, have them all make friends. Again, reiterating here, literally threw this together. Smells fantastic. Get this little guy. And we are nearing a final product. And thus, to not spill it and completely ruin dinner, I put the camera down and scooped it over into this 9x13. Doesn't it look lovely? That's gonna do it for me here. Thanks for following along as I made something. I don't know what to call it. Leave a suggestion down in the comments. Hey, be creative. Anyone can cook. We'll see you next time. What do you think?
Good.
Here's the final plated version.